Went for the spear. Super kick. Up rope. Usos.
Champion, a new tribal chief.
Ash. But somehow Roman Reigns survived. Punished. Gasping for it.
Going to get worse. Now is the time to escalate.
Not to deliver the blow. But Jay to the... Every blow by Jay brings a... And now with Roman Reigns in trouble, Jay... Paul Heyman.
We grew up together.
Leading with Jey Uso. Another one. Only cares about himself. And now
this may end the tribal chief's reign.
Because there are Roman trying to fight out of it. Drops Jey.
Jey just narrowly avoided disaster. We'll try this again.
Trying to drag Roman Reigns up. Steel. Jey Uso physically wiped out. And now Roman Reigns.
Introducing a table. I can only imagine Reigns has the most nefarious.
Roman intercepted him, however.
Rope.
Hanging Roman up. And Jey teetering now on the apron, just... In hand, Jey.
Going low.
Oh, right hand.
Jey almost
kick to the face. What are you thinking here?
an ill-advised attack.
Maybe not. Roman and Jey with a Samoan drop through the table from the apron.
Jey Uso refused to end the much larger Reigns over the top. Benefited Jey Uso.
Desperation perhaps from brawl away. And punishing.
It was a different kind of pain.
Trying to retreat through the WWE fans. The problem is he's the definitive winner.
And they're going 8 Mile.
So suddenly in control. Solo of the bloodline for the job. Because Solo's back in the equation.
And to be stopped by your own younger brother.
Trying to recuperate as Solo Sikoa dragging Jay's carcass. He somehow knew. It's how Roman Reigns has survived.
Solo.
Proving his worth once again tonight.
Let's go.
Wiped out, taken out. This is all. And a spinning This is a.
This coming, you haven't been paying attention.
This is just. To miss a couple of weeks for Samoa Spike. Oh, down to harm's way. Cover. Roman kicked it.
Instead winds up with Solo and Roman both.
Roman's down to a steel chair. And he's got some life. You're into the equation as he goes back to attack the tribal chief. Broken. Roman is down outside the ring. Jey Uso. Solo Sikoa figures in again. And Jey Uso took advantage and speared.
Solo is trying to intimate to the tribal chief is that it's by the tribal chief and
Right about our announce table. Jey Uso had kicked the face to Jimmy, Jay's brother. Payback tonight of the picture. With a spear to Roman. Jey going up the. Who the hell? Dude. After everything you got, and a spear to the the undisputed Roman Reigns and able tonight. The ultimate
garbage. How in the hell could anyone do that?
things have been through. Because to carry the Ulafala for the Anoa'i family. I have ever witnessed. Which was payback for what they did to Jimmy Uso.